Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage guide and sharing on your Instagram. Maybe you want to manage your guide and sharing on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage guide and sharing on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into this video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, from your profile page, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see here the Guides and Sharing. Tap on it and you'll be directed into this page. As you can see in here, you have many options that you can manage. For example, respond to open requests and manage your featured content. Here, allow others to share your story. If you want to allow others to share your stories, simply toggle this button to turn it on. And then here, allow story sharing in messages. Toggle this button if you don't want it. And as you can see in here, where people can share, allow post sharing to guides, and also allow requests to feature your posts and shops. If you don't want it, simply toggle the button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage guides and sharing on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage guides and sharing on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.